have the By Christine Rose Brow Kit here. We're going to discuss what's included in the kit and how to do the application. You have 4 products that are included in your kit. Your brow brush, your brow pencil, spins up there, another brush on the end of it, your brow pen, nice fine point, and your brow highlighter. Dark tone on one end, light tone on the other end. Before you get started, you want to adjust your brush. Take your brow highlighter and your brow brush and rub your brush in your highlighter until the bristles are stuck together. If your skin tone is light, you want to use the light side. If your skin tone is darker, you want to use the dark side. Let's get started creating those beautiful brows. Take your brow pencil, with your brow pen, you want to use fine, light strokes in this motion. video, please visit ByChristineRose.com and check out some other products.